Logan Zoo Day. Logan woke up with a big smile. Today, he is going to the zoo. It's finally Zoo Day. He got dressed and hurried out the front door. He couldn't wait to say hi to the animals. Logan's eyes opened wide. He looked around. Let's go. He saw a mama panda bear with her baby. Hello, said Logan while waving. But they were busy enjoying lunch. Wow, it's amazing, he yelled in excitement. There are elephants here too. I feed the elephants 2 to 3 times a day, said the zookeeper. Elephants can eat up to 150 pounds a day. Alligators have been around since dinosaurs, the zookeeper informed. Alligators are awesome. Logan was thrilled. Whoa! The zookeeper laughed. Logan looked up in disbelief. They're so tall. Giraffes have blue or purple tongues. This helps protect their tongues from getting sunburned as they munch on leaves high up in trees. Last, he saw the lion's pride. Roar! And he roared like a lion. He took a picture with them. Cheese! Are you ready for a quiz? Let's recap on what we learned today. Are you ready? Let's go. What were the pandas busy doing that they didn't see Logan waving? Laughing, playing, running, or eating? That's right, they were eating. Alligators have been around since ducks, goats, dinosaurs, or lions? Dinosaurs. How many times does the zookeeper feed the elephants a day? 1, 10, 2 to 3 times, or 5? The zookeeper feeds the elephants 2 to 3 times a day. That's right. What color are giraffe tongues? Red, orange, black, blue, or purple? Blue or purple? Great job, friends!
Wow, that was so much fun. Thanks for watching, friends. For more videos like this, please subscribe and like Logan's Corner. Wow.